Rosie and Jim is a leading supplier of premium-grade gluten-free chicken products. Due to increasing demand, it has been investing in its manufacturing operations. Rosie and Jim partnered with SF Engineering to streamline its packing processes, reduce manual handling, and make its packing lines safer and easier for operators. All its packing lines are fed from high level via a spiral freezer and conveyor systems, as well as vibratory conveyors and Ishida multi-head weighers previously supplied by SF Engineering. For the tray packing line, we integrated a buffer denester system. The multi-head weigher drops the target weights onto a flighted conveyor that indexes the product into a distribution system to be fed to the weighting trays. The trays are then sealed using an existing tray sealer before passing through a CHEA multi-spectrum metal detector system. The high-quality SF Engineering designed conveyors bring the product to the new 3-tier packing area to be boxed. Empty cartons are fed to the packing area via a case distribution system installed by SF Engineering. The filled cartons are then pushed onto a takeaway conveyor to a case taper, Ishida carton check weigher and labelling system, ready for palletization. The food service line uses an existing high-level conveyor system to get the product to the new SF Engineering designed packing line. The product passes through a metal detector before being presented to operators at the 3-tier packing station. Whether packing trays or food service products, the new packing area was designed to ensure operators have easy access to products, cartons, and the takeaway conveyor. The final line is an end-of-line carton packing process for bagged products. The product is fed to a GIC bagger by a multi-head weigher, both of which we previously supplied. The new carton packing line passes the filled bags through a metal detector and onto an Ishida bag check weigher. The bags are individually checked to ensure they are within the required tolerance range, with over and underweights rejected. Conforming bags are fed to a similarly designed 3-tier carton packing station. The filled cartons are then pushed onto a takeaway conveyor to a case taper, Ishida carton check weigher and labelling system, ready for palletization. To find out more, please contact us at SF Engineering today.